In this video, let's dive into the next 3 generations that brought us to the rise of AI. Moving to the 1960s to 1970s, which is the 3rd generation. This generation put thousands of transistors onto one silicon chip. So computers became light enough to help NASA land humans on the moon. These computers shifted from transistors to integrated circuits made of silicon. They were smaller and more portable. They started using high-level programming languages. Screens, keyboards, and printers were also introduced in this period. Examples include the IBM 360 and PDP-11. Now, we move to the 1970s to present, the 4th generation. In this generation, thanks to microprocessors, computers moved out of labs and into homes and offices. These computers used microprocessors, which integrated primary functions onto a single silicon chip. Intel 4004 was a microprocessor which combined various controls to drastically reduce computer size. They started using RAM and ROM for internal storage. It enabled the creation of computer networks and the rise of personal computers. Examples of early 4th generation computers are the Altair 8800 and Apple II. The 5th and final generation, the future. In this final generation, we've moved to machines that are trained to see, hear, and talk like humans. It utilizes 2 or more microprocessors to run many tasks at the same time for maximum speed. It is designed to understand and process human language rather than just code. It is the smallest and most portable generation by far. And it is widely used in medicine, industries, and entertainment. In these 2 videos, we've seen that in less than a century, computers have undergone a radical transformation which included many changes like size. We've moved from room-sized giants to pocket-sized powerhouses. Speed. Processing has accelerated to just a few seconds. Reliability. We've shifted from fragile vacuum tubes to robust silicon chips. Now, computers are no longer just a tool for calculation. They are becoming a partner in creativity and problem solving. So, that concludes the 5 generations of computers.